How are you all? This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to learn how to count cells that are less than some specified criteria. We can easily do that with COUNTIF function. So without wasting any time, let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So at first I am going to run the Microsoft Excel software. Here it is, and then I am going to run the OSK, that means on screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, for you I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. You can check the playlist in my channel. Here we will learn about Microsoft Excel from basic level, and also check the description box. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. I have created a file previously. So if you had a data file like this and you have to count the points that are less than 25 or any specified criteria, you can simply use the COUNTIF function like this. To count the number of cells that contain values less than a particular number, you can use the COUNTIF function. In the generic form of the formula here, range represents a range of cells that contain numbers, and n represent the boundary below which you want to count. In this example, just simply you have to type the formula like this, equals to COUNTIF, then open the first bracket, and you have to give the range. In my case, range is from C4 to C9. Then put a comma here, open the double quotation, then enter the lesser than symbol, then put the criteria. In my case I am using 25. Then close the double inverted comma, then close the bracket, then simply hit the enter. Here it is. Less than 25 is only 2. It is showing only 2. So let's see how this formula works. COUNTIF counts the number of cells in the range that contain numeric values less than 25 and returns the result as a number. If you want to count cells that are less than or equal to 25 like this, you can simply enter the formula like this, COUNTIF, then open the first bracket, give the range C4 to C9, put a comma here, then open double inverted comma. Here you have to put the lesser than symbol first, then put the equals to, then write the criteria, then close the double inverted comma, close the bracket, and simply hit the enter. Here it is. Now the result has been showed as including 25. It is shown lesser than or equal to 25. So that's all for today, friends. See you soon, guys. Hopefully you will get a new video in every single day. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like, comment your opinion and share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned.